Hey guys, if you want to factory reset your Mac, it's actually really easy. All you guys have to go is into system settings. So that's down here below, you're gonna see it, or on the top left-hand side of your screen, you're gonna see the Apple logo. From the Apple logo, choose the second option where it says system settings. From here, you're gonna see this. Up here on the search, just type in erase. Then you're gonna see this option where it says erase all content and settings. Just click there. Then don't open Migration Assistant, okay? That's your first option. Go into your second option where it says erase all content and settings. So that's erase all content and settings. Click there. Then put in if you have any password. So for your Mac, you might have a password to unlock it. So go ahead and unlock it. From here, it's just gonna give you a quick warning that everything is gonna be reset. So you're resetting back to factory settings. So that's exactly what we want. So right now we're gonna go into continue on. You're gonna get this warning. Go ahead and select erase all content and settings, and there we go. So what will this do? It's gonna delete any Apple IDs that you have tied to this. It's gonna delete any files within it. It's gonna delete any pictures, everything from the Mac itself. If you have an Apple ID, it's not gonna, let's say, erase it from the system. So it's still gonna be, let's say if you guys have an iPhone or an iPad, it's not deleting that Apple ID. It's just deleting the Apple ID from the Mac itself. So right now it should restart. We should see an Apple logo. And then later on, we are back into it being brand new again. So we should see a hello screen. We have to choose our language and all that stuff. So you could set it up again. And if you're selling this or returning it at this point in time, I would not even set it up. I would just turn it off. So hold on to the power key to turn it off. And that's it. After we see the hello screen, after all, because it has to turn off, everything loads back in, and then we should see that screen. So I'm showing you the entire process so you guys know exactly how this is supposed to go. We should see an Apple logo, loading bar. Again, we are deleting everything from within the Mac. There we go. And we are in the first part of the setup process. So at this point in time, if you don't want to set up your Mac again, don't turn on anything. Although your keyboard or your mouse could be turned on already, it doesn't matter at this point in time. So all you have to do is just press that power key on your iMac, which is on the far left-hand side. Gonna hold on to it, and then it's just gonna turn off. So just keep holding on to it until you see that. And then go ahead, you guys can go ahead and sell this, return it, whatever you guys wanna do. Although I do sometimes suggest that you set it up without an Apple ID, without putting any personal information here if you're gonna sell it, so the person who's gonna buy it can test it out really quick. But part of testing it out could be just going on throughout the whole setup process. Anyways, that would be it for this video. We just successfully factory restored your Mac. So it's factory restored, no Apple IDs tied to it, everything's deleted from within it. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.